This week on Entertainment Recap, Jamaica gets customized Clarks, Mavado thanks everyone for condolences and well wishes after his mother's death, the legendary Toots won a Grammy. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Clark's Original says endorsement deals are coming from dancehall artists.
Man say, who have a clocks like this? Brixton, who have a clocks like this? In a Kingston, who have a clocks like this? In a Rasta.
The revelation and assurance came from the company yesterday after it was taken to task by several Jamaican skeptics, who said they hope it was not seeking to exploit brand Jamaica for selfish gain by unveiling the line which carries the Jamaican trek, Desert, Jamaica, and the Jamaica Bees, and which is part of their spring 2021 collection. This is what Clark's Originals had to say to their 305K followers on Instagram on Tuesday. Since they first hit the streets of Kingston, our profiles have occupied a special place in Jamaican culture. To celebrate this truly original connection, we've reworked 3 of our most iconic styles to pay tribute to the individuality the island is so famous for. Hashtag Clark's Originals, hashtag Clark's and Jamaica. We're proud to have been part of Island Life for almost 60 years now. Jamaica has given us so much love over the years. As a way of saying thank you, we're working with communities across the island and making charitable donations to programs that really make a difference.
Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks. Everybody have to ask when me get my clocks. The leather hard, the sweet.
Mavado thanks everyone for support after his mother's death.
Mama, me never, ever, 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 ever left you out. Me never left here, now the boardhouse, panic, gully, me take you out.
Dancehall artist Mavado is sharing his gratitude for the support he and his family has been receiving after the death of his mother last week. Mavado's mom, Elizabeth Miss Penny Gordon, died suddenly on March 11. Much love goes out to everyone who sends their love and condolences to me and my family, he wrote in an Instagram post on Tuesday. We give thanks for the support in this crazy moment. Condolences from the PBCJ family to you and your family, Mavado. Congrats are in order for the legendary Toots and the Maytals Band, who won a Grammy for Best Reggae Album. Toots and the Maytals won the 2021 Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album. The group took the category for its album Got to Be Tough, which was released on August 28, 2020. It's the band's second win following its first in 2005. Got to Be Tough beat out entries by Buju Banton, Upside Down 2020, Skip Marley, Higher Place, Maxi Priest, It All Comes Back to Love, and the Wailers' One World. Bunny Wailer's son releases a documentary about father's missing widow. Son of late reggae singer Bunny Wailer, Abijah Asadaniki Livingston has released a documentary about his missing stepmother, Jean Watt. Sister Jean was Wailer's spouse for 50 years. The piece features interviews with members of Watt's family and Wailer's children who have been looking for her since vanished 9 months ago. The documentary was published on March 6, 4 days after Wailer died at 73 years old. My father and sister Jean's family was not ideal, but it was theirs, said Bunny Wailer's son, Abijah Asadaniki Livingston. The family shared that Watt suffered from dementia, a factor which further complexes her missing case. Surveillance footage show her last leaving home on May 23, 2020, wearing a black top, brown skirt, and sandals. Incarcerated DJ Shawn Storm is expected to release his debut EP, Freedom Streets, on March 31st. You hear that? The entertainer has been in promotion mode for the past 2 months, promoting a few singles from the 10-track project. Freedom Streets is produced by Quashana Records and bears a number of collaborations with artists including Portmore Empire Associates, Sika Rhymes, Tommy Lee Sparta, affiliated Chronicler, and other acts like Shatta Whale, Shauna Bliss, Wendy Shea, and The Chase. The EP's title is fitting with Storm's decade-old cry. The DJ, whose given name is Sean Campbell, is serving life imprisonment for the 2011 murder of Clive Lizard Williams. One of his co-convicts and founder of the Portmore Empire, Vybz Kartel, is also serving a life sentence. Elephant Man's immigration violation case continues, where he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court to face charges of making man could be fined. This week's new music comes from Christopher Martin with Rent Free and Beenie Man featuring Popcorn and Dre Island with Fun in the Sun. Take a look.
Yo, is we a band done, and we no take talk from no one. Hashtag, we life of them worried. Yeah, we are living on them head scotch free and we not paying no rent. Nah, just a run through the mind every night and daylight current. You know like me, that are your problem. But where so much landlord come from? And we know who them no rent. Yo, the that's why we must live and small.
Yeah, but if we all work together, we can help each other. Not them alone, we fit tell Black Lives Matter. Me no racist, me no believe in a color of the hard work. You perform, me admire. Every rich ghetto, you try to get to your be.
And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Special thanks to Ear Candy Collection for this earring. Yes, lovely, matches my outfit. Yes, and remember to follow them on their Instagram page at the Ear Candy Collection. Remember now, always and forever, big up you!